Candle making is the process of turning wax into a source of light by shaping and setting it properly. It begins with melting wax, which can be made from paraffin, soy, beeswax, or other natural materials. As the wax heats up, it transforms from a solid into a smooth, pourable liquid ready for molding. A wick, usually made of braided cotton, is placed in the center of a container or mold before pouring. Once the melted wax is carefully poured around the wick, it begins to cool and slowly solidify again. During cooling, the wax contracts slightly, so a second pour may be needed to fill any surface dips. The wick must be trimmed to the right length to ensure a steady flame and avoid excessive smoke. Some candle makers add fragrance oils or dyes to the wax, creating scented or colored candles for variety. As the wax hardens, it locks in the scent and color, forming a candle that's both functional and decorative. After setting, the candle is removed from its mold or left in its container, ready to be lit and enjoyed. When lit, the flame melts the wax near the wick, which is then drawn up and burned to sustain the light. The wax acts as fuel, and the wick controls how the flame behaves, balancing brightness and burn time. Different wax types and wick sizes affect how long a candle lasts and how evenly it burns over time. Candle making blends science and creativity, offering endless possibilities for shape, scent, and style. Whether for warmth, ambiance, or tradition, candles continue to brighten spaces in a beautifully simple way. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new video.